Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just wondering how you guys are doing. I know it's been a few weeks since I posted a video. It's been busy and kind of crazy with what's going on with the world, and I hope each of you are doing fine. Today we're going to go over my newest brush collection. You probably think I have a problem with makeup brushes because I have so many now, but yeah, as I get rid of the old, I bring in the new. These are the Artis Elite collection, and yes, they're expensive, but I got mine half off, as well as I guess I was waiting quite a while because I had seen some of these in the store. I'm not going to mention which one, many years ago, and it was way too much, so I didn't buy them. And then I came across these the other day online, and I was like, are these the same brushes I saw in the store that were so much money that no one would pay that price for these brushes? But here they are, and I was able to get them, and I'm looking forward to using them. They look a lot different than your normal brushes. Obviously the ones that I used before, which I still use and I still like. So these ones are just different, and I'll go over each of them. This is what they look like when we open them. When you open it, it looks like this. And as we take this brush out, this is the Oval 6. I haven't used these yet. You can see that they're densely packed brushes. And it's supposed to put on your foundation or some sort of a cream makeup with ease and no streaks, and just more of a flawless look instead of having streaks when you do your foundation or whatever. But I'm wondering how to wash these. I know that the company Artis that makes these brushes has a special cleaning system that contains a foam from a can, and you put it on the brush each time you use it, kind of like maybe an alcoholic scrub foam, and then you rub this on like a cloth like this. The thing is, the brush can foam is $25, and then you have to get like this rubbing cloth thing, and that's like $35, and then you pay for shipping and handling, so you're almost like $100 with shipping and handling. And I'm thinking, well, if I can figure out a way to wash these as I wash my other brushes, I'm wondering if it'll work or if they would ruin the brushes. So I have to look into that yet, and that's why I'm not using these right now, because I don't want to waste, the money that I did spend on these brushes by ruining them with my own makeup brush wash. I did something wrong. But anyway, let's go over each of these brushes. Again, this is the Artis Oval 6, and it's for foundation, creams, that kind of thing. And this one is the Circle 1, and you can use this for putting eyeshadow on your eye, or a lot of people use this for lipstick. It's supposed to give a good coverage for the lips, and they're, as you see, they're really soft. Look, they're soft but a dense amount of fiber, synthetic fibers. And then this one, I think I'm going to use it for like the wing. See how I have a wing here? You just dip this in some sort of a gel mascara type thing, and then just paste it on there, as well as you could put it along here, right here, to make a line there. I think it would be easy for that, as well as maybe brushing your eyebrows for this one. So that was the Circle 1, and then we have this was the linear one. This was the Circle 1. And then we have the Oval 3. I'm guessing this is for like, you could do your eyes with that as well. Or when you're putting your concealer up here or foundation up here to right underneath your eyebrow, you could do that. Or you could use it for your nose here, like in here. So that's that one. And this is the Oval 4. Say that fast 3 times. And same density, but I'd probably use this for either blush here, or I guess you could use it to smudge out here, but I'm not sure yet. People have brushes. I mean, there's brushes for different things. Like for instance, this is a powder brush, and just, you know, they're assigned different numbers and uses, but you can use any brush for anything you want. You don't have to stick to the norm and say, okay, this is a powder brush, I'm gonna use it for powder, or, you know, this is a blending brush, I'm just gonna use it for blending. You can use it for whatever you want. Like this one is originally supposed to be for on your eyelid for eyeshadow, but I'm gonna use it for my lip and put lipstick on it. Looks like the perfect size, you know. So again, I don't want to use these until I figure out how I'm going to wash them, because they were, you know, they're a good amount of money, and I don't want to wreck things. So I'm very careful with things that I buy. But I think they're, you know, unique. And yeah, I waited, what, 10 years to get them or whatever, but they look unique. They look cool. The important thing is that they work as you put your makeup on. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to using these hopefully soon. I just want to make sure that I have a way to clean them before I use them, so that I don't ruin them, or this density of this dense brush hair. I don't want to ruin that. Like, it's soft. You'd think it'd be hard and pointy, but it's extremely soft. And I would just want to know how to take care of them properly before I start using them. So I hope you guys are doing well. As you see, I didn't do any makeup today, but I thought I'd come on and do my makeup brush thing that I told you I was gonna do. And I do have some things coming in the mail, yet it's taking a long time, and that's fine. Like, with everything going on in the world, I mean, makeup and makeup brushes is the least of people's problems, but you know, sometimes you gotta do things that make you happy so you can get your mind off the things of things that are going on in the news. I don't try to watch the news every day, because it's just, you know, the same story over and over. I know it's extremely serious. I'm not downplaying that. I'm just get tired of hearing about how many deaths and stuff. And you know, you keep praying and believing God has a purpose, and you keep praying for the families that this is affecting. So I hope you're well, and like and subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends, and have a good day. Bye.